Ladies and gents, welcome back to The Random. It's your host, Smallwood Worldwide. We're back again with another video. Now, aside from our tech videos, you know every now and then we got to do something for the culture. With the NBA season tipping off, we're going to do just that. Today, we have something special for you. We're unboxing a LeBron 20 to represent your number 20 in the league. Now, when you're talking about a GOAT level player, arguably one of the greatest players, if not the greatest player to ever play the game, we want to show homage. So let's take a look and get this unboxing done properly. So let's start here. You can see it's the LeBron 20. Going to come up. Let's take a look. Nike patent 2022. Get a glimpse of his career. Of course, strive for greatness as always. Getting a look at some of LeBron's highlights. Look at that block. But more importantly, we came to unbox. Let's do just that. Let's open it up. Well-made box as always. You expect nothing different. This is gorgeous. Let's go ahead and get this out of here. Take a look at that. Amazing. Peel back this royal pink paper. Find the purple and golds here. What's this? Let's take a look. Nice. Gotta love that. Take a look at that. These are the purple and golds, ladies and gents. The LeBron 20s. This is a well-made shoe. If you like me and you like the ball, or if you just want to style a little bit, for 200 bucks, these LeBron James 20s are the way to go. Look at that detail. Take a look at that. All right. Check this out here, LeBron Pink Diamond Collection, established in 03. This is absolutely beautiful. The video would do it no justice. So here. Second shoe, of course. And ladies and gents, that'll do it. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what you think. Are you going to be in on copping the LeBron 20s? You following the Lakers this season, as LeBron is in pursuit of ring number 5. And what I can tell you is we'll see you soon on a new edition of The Random. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.